So what's the fault with this Rolls-Royce Spey?
What's happened was we found that the oil levels has been increasing. You don't want that. So we did a bit of an investigation. We found out that fuel has been getting into the fuel-cooled oil cooler, or the FCOC. So what we're doing in a minute is we're going to remove it, give it an inspection, nail down where it is, and if need be, replace it.
Yeah. So what are we using for reference?
We are using the Spey General Technical Minor Repairs Manual, also known as B36A.
Cool.
For removing the fuel-cooled oil cooler.
So what does a fuel-cooled oil cooler do?
Essentially, you have... Yeah, go for it.
So how a fuel-cooled oil cooler works is inside here, there's a matrix of pipes, and through those pipes is fed the fuel, and the fuel is a lot cooler than the oil, which is under pressure, and the oil is under pressure, which has increased the temperature. So the way it works is fuel and oil is fed through two separate pipes, and the fuel cools down the oil. But the reason it doesn't normally break like it does is because the pressure in the oil line is higher than the pressure of the fuel line, because you're able to burn off the oil, but if fuel gets into the oil, it makes it thinner and less effective.
Awesome.